I was on my way home from work, and this kid sideswiped me into oncoming traffic. And fortunately, there weren't any cars coming, but the way he hit me, it kind of really crooked my back. And the seatbelt jerked me back, so it kind of really messed things up back there. I ended up having a lumbar laminectomy with fusion, bone graft, and instrumentation. And after that, I was fine for a little while. I was still working, and then I started having excruciating pain and couldn't walk real well, couldn't do, most of the things that I have to do. So after that, I started seeing the pain management at Florida Hospital. And when my father got ill and I transferred to the Florida Hospital in Sebring from Orlando, that's when I started seeing Dr. Saucedo. And he has been the best out of all the pain management doctors I have seen. He has been the best one. He's able to answer all of my questions. He's very knowledgeable. He knows what he's talking about, and he doesn't put his patients through unnecessary procedures. And that's what I really like about him, because when I lived in St. Pete, I had one guy that was trying to inject me all the time. And that's when I finally called and made an appointment with Dr. Saucedo, and I was driving from St. Pete for a while, and then I moved back to Sebring, so I just continued seeing him. And he has only put me through one, and he said if it doesn't work, then we'll just continue the medication, because the medication does work. And so I've been on the medication since 2006, and he's managing my medication and helping me understand what's going on with, my back. Every once in a while, I'll have a CT scan, and so we can see the progress that the stenosis and all the stuff is taking. And he's just fantastic. I couldn't ask for a better doctor. And he is very knowledgeable about anything I ask him. And being in the medical field, I have a lot of questions and a lot of things that I wanted to know, and he was able to answer them all for me and make me feel rest assured that everything was all right and he was going to take care of me, and he has. And when he left Sebring, I asked him. First, he couldn't tell me where he was going. And then I told him, I said, I don't care if you're going to Georgia, Tennessee, wherever you're going, I will follow you, because I've never had a better doctor.